When it comes to your health, there are a few basic facts you already know. Drink more water. Get more sleep. Eat right. Exercise. But it turns out, there's way more to it than just that, and we're willing to bet you've left more than a few stones unturned. For instance, did you know that just 10 minutes of exercise a day can be just as effective as a longer workout? Or that eating certain foods can boost your mood? To help you master your health and fitness, we've rounded up the most incredible and practical facts that will change the way you live. Number 1. Laughter is good for your heart. It's well known that laughter can be a valuable coping tool for those suffering from medical conditions. But according to one 2016 study published in the Journal of Epidemiology, it could also directly contribute to a healthier heart. Among male and female study subjects over the age of 65, those who reported laughing daily had drastically lower rates of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Number 2. Quitting smoking before 35 could save your life. If you're a smoker, but not yet middle age, let this be your wake-up call. A 2002 report from the American Journal of Public Health suggests that roughly 90% of the increased mortality risk associated with smoking cigarettes can be stopped if a smoker quits before the age of 35. Past middle age and still hooked? You can still reap the benefits of increased longevity by quitting today. Number 3. Not working out is as bad as smoking. We all know that staying active is key to a healthy lifestyle, but recent studies have shown just how important it is. When compared with the lowest athletic performers, elite performance was associated with an 80% reduction in mortality risk, reads a 2018 study published in the journal JAMA Network Open. In addition, the adjusted mortality risk of reduced performance was comparable to, if not significantly greater than, traditional clinical risk factors such as coronary artery disease, diabetes, and smoking. Number 4. And obesity may soon overtake smoking as the leading cause of cancer. A British report from Cancer Research UK concluded that as smoking rates drop and obesity rates rise, being severely overweight is poised to become the leading cause of cancer by the year 2043. Considering projections that half of all adults in the United States will be obese by the year 2030, we are likely to see similar trends. Number 5. Sugar is as bad for you as cigarettes. We all know smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your health, but a more stealth killer may be having the same level of impact. Sugar. Just as cigarettes have long been linked to preventable mortality from cancer, heart disease, and stroke, researchers have increasingly found that consuming added sugar leads to similarly deadly conditions. According to a 2016 report in the journal Nutrients, too much sugar leads to a variety of chronic diseases including obesity, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, as well as cognitive decline, and even some cancers. Number 6. And you may be eating 46 hidden teaspoons of sugar a day. Though it is recommended by the American Heart Association that women eat no more than 6 tablespoons of sugar, and men eat no more than 8 per day, a 2010 article in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that Americans take in an average of 46 hidden teaspoons of sugar per day. These hidden sugars lurk everywhere from drinks to tomato sauce to dried fruits. Number 7. We eat 600 more calories a day than people did in the 1970s. When we look back on the portraits of past generations, it's clear that Americans have, on average, gotten bigger. While this is likely due in part to the rise of fast food hormones in meat and dairy products, chemical additives and preservatives, and the streamlining of physical labor, it also comes down to a staggering increase in the number of calories consumed. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the average daily calories consumed has increased by approximately 600 calories since the 1970s. Number 8. Optimism can make you live longer. A good attitude may do more than just brighten your day. According to Harvard Health, a series of studies confirmed that being a glass-half-full kind of person is associated with increased longevity. One 1999 study published in JAMA Internal Medicine revealed that optimistic patients who had undergone coronary artery bypass were half as likely to require rehospitalization within the following 6 months as pessimistic patients. Number 9. Sitting up too straight can hurt your back. Your mom wasn't totally wrong. Hunching can certainly be bad for your back, says Dr. Neil Anand, professor of orthopedic surgery and director of spine trauma at Cedars-Sinai Spine Center in Los Angeles, California. But the opposite is true too. Sitting up straight for too long without a break can also cause strain. If you work in an office setting, make sure your chair is at a height where your knees are at a 90-degree angle, your feet can rest flat on the floor, and you have proper lower back support. Make sure to stand up, stretch, and take a quick walk several times a day to keep from getting stiff or causing injury. Number 10. Just 10 minutes of daily exercise can save your health. If you don't think you have time to work out, think again. A 2011 study in the Journal of Obesity found that high-intensity interval workouts that last as few as 10 minutes can be effective in reducing fat, lowering insulin resistance, and improving overall health. While more traditional workout durations of 30 to 60 minutes may build on those benefits, the new rule of thumb is that short bouts of vigorous exercise every day can be just as effective as longer workouts.